Hey, TGO traders and investors, Wiz here with Wednesday's market SITREP. And right out of the gate, folks, horrible, horrible housing data. Housing starts plunged the most in 3 years, and also permits tumble and missed by the most in 7 months. So really starting to see housing rollover. So if you're one of those new 500-pound heads that believe that housing is going to help power us out of this economic Vietnam that we're in right now, stand by. That's not good news. Thought this was very interesting yesterday when we took a look at tick data. China sold the second largest amount ever of U.S. Treasuries back in December, and guess who the number two largest seller? Japan. China and Japan are the number one and number two largest foreign holders of U.S. debt, and they're starting to dump our debt. You know who's buying it? Hey, in 2013, the Fed bought 150% more treasuries than all foreigners combined. Is this, we're a snake literally eating our own tail here. That just can't go on forever, folks. So how's the market reacting? Okay, well, first of all, we're kind of wallowing around here because at 2 o'clock this afternoon, we get the FOMC minutes, okay? I got some inflation data, PPI and core PPI, essentially flat, but building permits and housing starts, just an absolute implosion. So I think the market is kind of treating it as, we're still in bizarro market. Bad news is good news in this case. I mean, those housing starts and permit numbers in non-bizarro market, in a market where we don't have the Fed, we'd be down a couple hundred points right now. We're down 30, and the SPOOs are off 4. But look at the VIX. The VIX is going through the roof. The VIX is north of 15 again. We put on a bullish double vertical on the VIX the other day in our primary live trade brief that's already up, I think, triple digits. Right here on Tuesday, I've been telling my traders that 14 is the new 12. Okay, 12-ish, 13-ish was the resting heart rate, so to speak, during bizarro market, as you can see. But in January, when we started exiting bizarro market, or entered this transition area where bad news was going to be bad news again, I think I told my traders that 14 was the new normal. Okay, and I think we might be right here with the VIX up 9%, just on a 5-point down on the S&P. Usually the VIX would only be up a couple percentage points. I think based on the bad housing data and just the overall unease in the market, I think we're getting ready for something big here. The Fed really is flying blind, and so are traders. I mean, I do not, I'm talking to hedge fund folks, I'm talking to large private wealth managers, institutions throughout the day. Phone call, Skype, text, and stuff like that. People are just kind of looking around at each other, shrugging their shoulders, not knowing what to do, because the Fed is leaving, right? They're dialing down their asset purchases, $10 billion a month. But we're also looking at bad economic data, so other traders are shrugging their shoulders going, that means the Fed's going to come to the rescue. That's a very, very dangerous trade, folks, and if the Fed doesn't come to this market's rescue, it's going to get ugly very, very quickly, okay? And you guys know that markets tend to go down a hell of a lot faster than they go up, but that's also why we have hedges on. We have those VIX hedges on. I have a bullish double vertical on SDS, so SDS goes up as the market goes down, so I'm hedged. I have my bilge pumps in case the USS Top Gun Options is going to take a hit. We're not going to sink. Do you have those bilge pumps in your portfolio? If you don't, make sure you get on board Options Weapons School. Now, I sent out a trade alert yesterday to our Options Weapons School folks. We still have some slots available, so make sure you check your email box or give us a call if you want to get on board Options Weapons School, because now is a target-rich environment. With so much uncertainty in the market, options premiums are going through the roof. We love this uncertainty as options traders, okay? So give us a call at 888-308-2112, okay? 888-308-2112 to get your slot for Options Weapons School, our 8 live training sessions and also our live trading sessions with me managing the model portfolios, and I'm actually going to be the one doing the instruction in Options Weapons School. Give us a call, folks, because I'm having an absolute blast trading this market. Even though I don't know where the hell it's going, I really don't care as long as it goes somewhere. Okay? And that's the beauty of being an options trader. So I got to run. I got a 1 o'clock live trading session. So happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. And I'll see you on board Options Weapons School here at TGO.